Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Build Robots is probably one of the most exciting ways to introduce kids to STEM concepts. It's a fantastic opportunity for kids aged 12 and up to dive into the world of robotics, combining creativity, problem-solving, and technical skills. This video will guide you through the best kits available, helping you find the perfect one to spark your child's interest in building and programming their own robots. Number 5. Sillbird STEM 12-in-1 Solar Robot Kit. This amazing kit lets kids build 12 different robots that can move on land or water. It's a fantastic way for them to dive into the world of robotics and explore their creativity. The kit uses a large solar panel to capture sunlight and power the robots. This provides a hands-on experience with green technology, teaching kids about renewable energy in a fun way. This science toy helps children develop important skills like manual dexterity and problem-solving. It encourages logical thinking and teamwork, making learning fun and engaging. Don't worry about complicated assembly. The kit includes clear instructions for each of the 12 robot designs. Parents and children can build the robots together, creating lasting memories. Looking for a great gift? This robot kit is perfect for birthdays, Christmas, or any special occasion. It's a fun and educational way to keep kids entertained for hours while they explore the world of science. What we like. This robot kit harnesses the power of the sun, making it a fantastic introduction to renewable energy. It offers multiple robot designs, providing diverse building experiences. If you're looking for a fun, educational gift that teaches kids about solar power and robotics, this is a great choice. It's perfect for sparking curiosity and hands-on learning. What people say. This seems to be a fun, engaging activity for an older child. Probably a good entry for building like Lego and robot science project. Number 4. Science for You Scorpiobot Robotics Kit. Want to build your own robot? This kit is designed for kids aged 8 to 12. It allows them to build the Scorpiobot and watch it move. The kit includes 161 pieces and building bricks. It also comes with an educational book to guide the building process. This makes it a fun and educational experience. Once built, the robot can move. It has a small engine powered by AA batteries. This allows the robot to move forward and backward. This toy combines science and building. It's perfect for kids who love science and robotics. It's inspired by the STEAM methodology. Looking for a great gift? This robot toy is perfect for Christmas or birthdays. It's a unique building game that kids will love. It's made by scientists, approved by parents, and loved by kids. What we like. This kit provides a comprehensive building experience with 161 pieces and an educational book. It allows the robot to move, adding an interactive element. If you're looking for a classic building experience with a focus on robotics and science, this is a great option. It's perfect for kids who enjoy hands-on projects and learning about how things work. What people say. The instructions are really easy to follow and in a larger print than other well-known construction sets. He did need a little help to clip a couple of bits in, but managed to build it in about half an hour by himself. The robot was able to navigate from our dining room vinyl flooring, over a carpet grip and across our living room carpet with no delay. Number 3. ELEGOO Uno R3 Smart Robot Car Kit V4. This is an educational STEM kit designed for beginners, especially kids. It provides hands-on experience in programming, electronics, and robotics. It's an all-in-one solution for learning robotics. The kit includes 24 different modules. It features obstacle avoidance, line tracing, and infrared remote control. You can even control it with your phone or tablet, whether it's Android or iOS. Assembly is made easy with XH2. 54 ports on all module interfaces. This simplifies the process and reduces errors. It's designed to be user-friendly for everyone. The kit comes with HD rendering instructions to guide you through assembly. It includes all the necessary programs and codes. This makes learning fun and accessible. The package has a more minimalist design, making it a perfect gift. It's suitable for kids aged 8 and up. Basic electronic knowledge is helpful, and guidance is recommended for beginners. What we like. This robot car kit is designed to provide hands-on experience with programming and robotics. It comes with a complete package of modules and offers easy assembly. If you are looking for a project that combines coding, electronics, and robotics, this is a great choice. It's perfect for older kids and teens interested in STEM fields. What people say. The robot is easy to assemble. The robot is very interactive and can be programmed to do many things. The robot is a great educational tool for kids interested in STEM. Number 2. Kidwill 13-in-1 Solar Robot Kit. This amazing kit can be powered by the sun or a battery. It transforms solar energy into electricity, making the robot move. It's a fun way to learn about renewable energy. This building toy encourages hand-eye coordination and creativity. Kids can use their imagination to build different models and have fun. It's a great way to learn while playing. The parts are made from safe, non-toxic ABS materials. The pieces are smooth and safe for kids. An assembly booklet is included, and the models have varying difficulty levels. With alternative energy becoming so important, this is a great way to teach kids about it. The robot moves in direct sunlight. It allows children to create and use their imagination. Assemble it yourself or with friends. You can also build it together and share hours of fun playtime. It's a fantastic gift for kids and science lovers. What we like. This robot kit offers the flexibility of solar or battery power. It encourages creativity and hand-eye coordination through DIY assembly. If you are looking for a versatile and engaging STEM toy that teaches about alternative energy, consider this. It's perfect for kids who enjoy building and learning through play. What people say. Load of pieces to make 13 different solar-powered robots. Directions are well documented. The solar panel creates enough power to drive the bot. Number 1. STEM Robot Building Block Kit. This amazing kit includes over 468 pieces and cool stickers, perfect for sparking creativity. It's a fantastic way for kids to develop hand-eye coordination and practical skills, encouraging them to step away from screens and engage in hands-on learning. This robot moves in all directions, with glowing eyes and flexible joints. It enhances imagination and improves motor skills. It's an ideal gift for birthdays or holidays, providing hours of fun for kids and encouraging them to explore different possibilities. You can control this smart robot with a phone app via Bluetooth, or use the included 2.4 GHz remote control. It features remote control, path, voice control, and gravity sensor modes. The remote control has a range of over 20 meters, making the experience flexible and easy. All the accessories come in separate bags, with a colorful step-by-step manual. The assembly method is simple and convenient, with clear instructions and marked areas, ensuring that children can easily build it. We prioritize safety, so this toy robot is made of thick, sturdy ABS materials. It's non-toxic with smooth edges and a gentle surface, ensuring it's safe for kids to play with for a long time. What we like. This robot can be controlled via an app or remote control, providing a modern and interactive experience. It includes over 468 pieces, allowing for a more complex build. If you like the idea of a smart, programmable robot with multiple control options, this is a great choice. It's perfect for kids who enjoy technology and want to explore robotics in a fun way. What people say. This he finds challenging and requires thought, concentration and patience. Excellent challenge with more than 500 parts. Pretty fast and makes lots of robot noises. Focused on building and following directions. Great gift for a young child. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.